Hey guys, welcome to Stickin' with Steph. Today's a hair day. We're gonna cut in style. I'm introducing you to my son Leo. So if you want to see how we went from this to this, stick around. So first things first, let's get that long hair out of the way so I can trim his sides and have him looking fresh again. Just giving a quick brush through all of his hair on his sides so that we can get a nice and even cut. So here I'm just using my Philips hair trimmer, and it's a cordless one, which I really enjoy, and I put it on the setting number 4. Sometimes I will give my son Leo a fade, but today we went for just a straight and even clean cut. So at this point, the cut is almost done. I'm just brushing it down once again to see if there are any uneven parts which I missed, and I'll go over and clean that up. And shout out to anyone who suffers from eczema like me and how your hands get cracked and cold and ashy in the winter. We try to lotion all the time, but I mean, we're doing the best we can. So at this point, I'm just prepping the edges of his hair to do his outline. And sometimes he is very tender-headed So I'll go in as seen here with just the razor I was using without the guard. However, I definitely prefer to use the T outliner to get a crisper line, and luckily we were able to do that today. And I am by no means a barber or a professional. Everything that I'm doing and showing you guys today is self-taught. And you know, I'm just trying to give his outline some sort of a shape to frame his face the best that I can. Nothing too crazy though, because as I said, he is quite sensitive, so I don't want to keep him there too long doing his outline. You're silly. Hey Leo.
Yeah.
So we're done cutting the hair now. What style do you want today?
Well, we haven't done it. I think I want to do coils.
Okay, little coils?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So I'm gonna need you to go wash your hair.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm itchy.
Yeah, and get all that hair off you. Okay. Oh my god, you're so...
Mommy, come!
Oh, what have you done?
I was shampooing my hair and then
Okay, bye.
I made myself look like, I don't know.
Look at me. So as Leo said, he wants some coils today. So I'm going in with some leave-in conditioner first to moisturize the hair, especially in these cold months. It is essential to protect your curls. So I'm just sectioning the hair into 4, and I am detangling each section. And please make sure that you're being gentle with your children's hair or even your own hair. You don't want to cause any unnecessary breakage. So now I'm going in, dividing into 4 again, but clipping it off this time so that I can start my coils by sections. So I'm going in with some curl activator, and then I'm going in with my Aunt Jackie's elongating curl gel. Me and Leo love this one. And I'm just going in making small coils. All you have to do is twist it around your finger. And Leo's hair has gotten quite long since the last time I've done coils on him, so I found it useful to work by twisting from the bottom and working my way up. And I will show you guys a slow down clip of that right now. And I would definitely suggest placing a good amount of gel on the back of your hand like I'm doing, so you don't break your back reaching for the gel every time you got to make a new coil. So as you can see, I'm twisting. I'm starting from the bottom, then I'm moving my way up. And then at the very top, I place a bit of extra gel and I keep twisting there. And I'm just continuing doing the same twisting motion, following the natural perimeter of his head, and then working my way upwards towards the center. So I also wanted to show you guys that I am twisting with my right hand. However, I am doing a more subtle twisting motion with my left hand at the top in the same direction, just to ensure that we get a tight and neat coil. So I'm just finishing off the right side of his head now. And essentially you do the exact same thing on the other side. And I'm going to do that off camera. And we will come back with the final look.